Why should you not compare yourself to others? Simple. Because you are only seeing their highlights, not their struggles. Nakikita natin yung achievements nila, yung mga awards nila, yung mga travels nila, yung mga success nila. Pero hindi natin nakikita yung puyat, yung failure, yung rejection, yung sacrifices na pinagdadaanan nila. Sa school, may mga students na laging matataas yung grades. May mga teacher na parang kayang gawin lahat. May mga parents na mukhang perfect yung pamilya. But remember, everyone is fighting but others cannot see. Kapag lagi tayong nag-compare, mawawala yung focus natin sa sarili nating growth. Instead of celebrating our progress, we became frustrated. So we're measuring our journey based on someone else's timeline. Remember this, different people, different paths. Ang importante, gaano ka kabilis kumpara sa iba. Ang importante, umuusad ka kumpara sa dating ikaw. So instead of asking, bakit mas magaling sila kesa sa akin? Ask yourself, paano ako magiging mabuti kesa kahapon? Focus on your growth, celebrate small wins, learn from others, but don't compare yourself to them. Because your journey is uniquely your own. See you in the next vlog. This is Teacher Grace.